Hello my lovelies! So for today's video I'm going to be unboxing August Ice Cream Beauty box. I know it's late, I've had it there for a while, I'm so sorry about that, but I still want to show you. So from Charmacy we have here the duochrome liquid eyeliner. This retails for $12 and it says this is a long-lasting waterproof liquid eyeliner formula that shifts between 3 to 4 colors depending on the way the light hits it. You can use this over black eyeliner or just on its own. Very, very beautiful. This is gorgeous. I would definitely use this over black eyeliner. I think it'll pop more. This next item is by Mermaid Cosmetics, Mermaid Scales Cosmetics. It retails for $10. It's a loose shimmer pigment. It looks very pretty. This one's in shade Ocean Breeze. Let me open it up. Look how beautiful. And it says, to complement our eyeshadow collaboration, we have decided to include one of Mermaid Scales' signature pigment powders. This is a loose eyeshadow pigment with shimmer inside. It offers a very intense color. Mermaid Scales Cosmetics has also offered a discount code using Eyescream on their website for a discount at checkout. Very, very pretty. It's kind of icy. You would definitely need a glitter primer for this. Then here we have Beauty for Certain. This retails for $22. This is a matte liquid lipstick, goes on smooth and stays in place. Get the look you want without the hassle of reapplying. Beauty for Certain is a brand created by rapper B.I.A., best known for her song Whole Lotta Money. Let's see the color. This is the packaging. Very metallic. I think it's perfect for fall. And the next thing I see here is Mermaid Milk by Earth Harbor, which retails for $42 and is a purely plant-derived replenishing moisturizer that hydrates and balances skin while giving you a mermaid glow. This lightweight creamy formula is packed with superfoods, and it mentions a whole bunch of ingredients like antioxidants and hyaluronic acid, which is good. This lightweight cream absorbs quickly, making it a great makeup primer. Ooh, I love skincare, so this I know I want to try. And last but not least, we have the makeup palette, which is the Mermaid Scales Cosmetics in collaboration with Eyescream Beauty. It's called Mermaid Tales. This retails for $35, and it says we've collaborated on this palette with another great indie company, Mermaid Scales Cosmetics. It is only fitting that the palette contains a mermaid theme. There are a few neon shades as well as 2 duochromes, but we made sure to include both a light and darker transition shade to help complete the eyeshadow look. Let's see the colors. I love the cover. It has a lot of purple, which I love. Here are the ingredients. Very beautiful. I think it's also a great palette for summer. We're still in summer, so it's perfect for that. I can see the neons. Definitely these two are neons. Can't wait to try that out. And that's everything that I got in my beauty box this month. Let me know which one was your favorite item. If you have one, if you've tried it already, let me know which one you prefer out of all the 5 products. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That helps me out a lot, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.